In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your calendar to stay organized and manage your time efficiently. Calendars are a fantastic tool for keeping track of our busy lives, and when used properly, they can greatly enhance productivity. Today, we'll explore how creating separate calendars can keep everything organized, give you clarity, and make prioritizing tasks a breeze. One of the best ways to maintain organization is by creating separate calendars. This separation allows you to focus on specific areas of your life without feeling overwhelmed. For instance, you might have one calendar for work, another for personal appointments, and yet another for social events. By distinguishing these categories, you can quickly prioritize your tasks and commitments, sparing yourself the chaos of a single, overcrowded calendar. Imagine glancing at today's schedule and understanding your priorities at one glance. Isn't that a relief? Once you've set up your different calendars, you can easily navigate through them. You have the option to view your schedule by day, week, or month. Each view offers distinct advantages. The day view allows a focused look at every hour, perfect for days packed with appointments. The week view gives a broader perspective, helping you plan your week at a macro level. Finally, the month view provides a general roadmap of your commitments, so you can anticipate busy periods and plan rest or leisure time accordingly. Next, let's talk about setting reminders. This is a key feature to ensure you don't overlook important events or tasks. To set a reminder, simply click on the specific date and event in your calendar. You'll see an option labeled Task where you can create a customized reminder. This could be as simple as a pop-up notification or an email alert, whatever suits your preference. Setting reminders ensures that key dates never slip through the cracks in your busy schedule. As you become more adept with your calendar, you'll find that it's more than just a list of dates. It's a strategic tool for managing your time and priorities. It helps reduce stress by providing a clear picture of what's coming up, allowing you to prepare proactively rather than reactively. You'll feel more in control and confident, knowing exactly what needs your attention and when. Incorporating these strategies into your routine can transform your calendar into an indispensable ally in your quest to stay organized. With separate calendars for different aspects of your life and strategic reminders in place, you'll be navigating your commitments with a new level of ease. Remember, the goal is not just to fill your calendar with activities, but to organize them in a way that maximizes your productivity and peace of mind. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better organization and happy planning.